How to update FaceApp to the latest version. Keeping FaceApp updated ensures you to get the latest filters, bug fixes, and performance improvements. So here's how to update the FaceApp to the latest version on your device. On your device, go to App Store, tap on Search, and in the search bar type FaceApp and hit search. If an update is available, you will see an update button instead of open. As my app has already been updated, it's not showing here, but in your case it will be shown right here. Tap update to download and install the latest version. Once it's updated, tap open to launch the newest version of FaceApp and enjoy all the latest features. Never miss an update. Enable auto updates on your device through your App Store's settings. And that's it, your FaceApp is now updated and ready to create amazing edits. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and comment below what new features you are excited to try. Thanks for watching.